A hotline is now in place and operators are ready to answer your questions you may have regarding face coverings. Schools may be returning soon. Are your child's immunization shots up to date? And the recorders and elections offices offer safe ways to vote while social distancing during the upcoming elections. These stories and more, this is your County Line. Friday, March 20th was the day Yuma County became involved in the current coronavirus emergency gripping the nation. Even in the early days, doctors, researchers, and scientists were trying to understand exactly how COVID-19 works and is transmitted. Now, just over 3 months later, we know far more and have improved on relaying the precautions needed to minimize the opportunity of you and your loved ones getting infected. When your county government released a proclamation just over 2 weeks ago urging Yuma County residents to wear a face cover, immediately we started getting contacted with many questions to clarify our intent. It was quickly decided a face cover information line, complete with an email address, was needed to help the public get the answers needed so they understood the intent of the proclamation.
The information line and the email address were put together because we realized there's a lot of questions out there that the general public had about wearing the mask. And so we wanted to give an opportunity for people to have a place to call so they could feel comfortable wearing the mask out and about and getting those important questions answered, or at least directing them where to get their questions answered.
You can call the Yuma County Face Cover Information Line at 928-373-1180, or you can email them at mask@yumacountyaz.gov. And speaking of COVID-19 and all the complexities that have come with it, don't forget it won't be long until the school season is upon us. It's possible that Yuma County students will be going back to school, potentially in the classroom in some shape or form. While it is yet to be determined, it's an important time for many parents to be thinking about preparing should kids be called back in person. Planning now will be important so you can get your child the shots they need to attend school. Time to check your school-age children's shot records if you haven't updated them recently. Your Yuma County Public Health Services District is currently giving these shots by appointment.
Right now, the immunizations department here at the health department are seeing patients by appointment only from 8 to 11:30 and 1 to 4. And it's important to keep your kids vaccinated to prevent disease, of course.
You can get your child's immunizations up to date, but it's important to know you can't just walk in to get them. There are certain documents needed when you do plan on getting shots. Need shots or more information? Just contact the health district by calling 317-4559. COVID-19 is going to play an important role in how the entire election cycle is run this fall. The Elections Office, in conjunction with the County Recorder, will be announcing the county's plan to allow you to vote during this time of social separation. For years, your county has worked hard to make the election process easier for you during your busy lifestyle, which is actually the best way to remain socially separated while you vote. Ever since the concept of early ballots was brought into existence, more voters than ever are choosing to request a ballot to be mailed to them. You have until July 24th to request an early ballot be sent to your home for the August 4th primary. The Recorder has made this even easier by allowing you to request the ballot online.
Any eligible voter in Yuma County can request a ballot over the phone with our staff by calling the Recorder's office, or they can request the ballot online at the link that we've provided on the county website. Additionally, a voter could join the permanent early voting list by servicearizona.com on the registration link, or call our office for the required form.
If you're a registered voter and want to cast your ballot using an early ballot, just visit the county's website at yumacountyaz.gov/ballot request. Also, stay tuned to your county line. We'll be bringing you important information about arrangements for in-person voting to keep you safe during these times, along with the locations of our vote centers.
I'm Elia Juarez, and this is your library update. In February of 2021, our library district will be celebrating 100 years of service to the community, and we need your help to make it happen. First off, we are hosting a bookmark contest. Basically, we're asking the community to design a bookmark featuring our mascot, Booker Bear. Then send it in to us, and we will have an impartial jury vote on our favorite ones for each category, and then we'll make them up professionally and hand those out as our official centennial bookmarks. In addition to that, we want to hear your library's story. We'd love it if you would take some time and make a short recording or write up a short paragraph about your favorite memory of any of the Yuma County Library District branches. Information for the Bookmark contest and the Tell Us Your Story drive is all on yumalibrary.org. And also for more updates on our centennial events, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, and Facebook.
Before we head out, an important deadline we hope you're aware of that is not county government related. The Internal Revenue Service extended the deadline to pay your taxes to Wednesday, July 15th. If you feel you still don't have enough time to file by July 15th, you can file an extension giving you until October 15th to do your filing. Just visit the IRS website at www.irs.gov. And finally, the same rule applies for your Arizona state tax deadline. Wednesday, July 15th is your deadline as well. We'd like to thank you for joining us for this county line. If you'd like to watch past episodes, log on to yumacountyaz.gov/VOD. And don't forget, you can join us live on Facebook. We'll see you next time.